Hello my dear crocheters. Today I will show you how to crochet a light and large summer bag. In this project I use simple basic stitches, so even a beginner can repeat them. The combination of ready-made and crocheted elements makes this project very easy and quick. The dimensions of the finished bag when using similar materials you can now see on the screen. Now for the materials. I used a prefabricated artificial leather bottom with legs, 1 pair leather shoulder bag strap, twisted raffia 2mm thick and crochet hook 3.5mm. So let's begin. First, let's crocheting around the bottom of the bag. I have 60 holes on the bottom, and in each hole I crocheted 2 single crochets. Crochet single crochets in all holes and meet at the end of this row. Make slip stitch to join the row. Crochet slip stitches all the second row. Cut the yarn, leaving an end of about 5 cm. First, pull the tail through the open working loop of the last stitch to secure. Then, pull it through the first stitch of the round. Then thread it back through the last stitch. We make invisible join in the round. So let's move on to crocheting the sides of the bag. Turn the base with the right side facing you. In the first row, insert the hook through the back half loops. For first double crochet, make yarn over and insert hook in the first blow. Yarn over and pull the loop through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through to loops. Crochet 1 chain. Then crochet double crochets as usual. Crochet 120 double crochets in total and meet at the end of this row. The bag sides rise and become perpendicular to the bottom. You can join the round in any way that is comfortable for you. There are many ways on the internet, but I will show you one of my favorites. 1. After making the last stitch in the round, Pull the hook up and lengthen the working loop on the hook, then remove the hook from it. 2. Insert the hook from the wrong side to the right side into the first stitch of the round. 3. Hook the long loop and pull it through to the wrong side. 4. Loop this long loop over the ball of yarn and pull the ball through this long loop. 5. Pull on one side of this loop by hand so that it starts to tighten. 6. Pull the working yarn to get the desired size of the connecting loop. 'Now crochet the second row. Crochet the double crochets not under the two loops as usual, but into the middle of the double crochet of the previous row. This way, the double crochets go straight, one above the other, and do not shift. Pause the video and crochet more. 3 rounds. Next, crochet open work rows. I got 120 stitches in a row, so the pattern shown below came up. To repeat the same, you must have the number of stitches in a row that is a multiple of 3. Repeat rapport 3 double crochets in 1 stitch. Skip to stitches. Repeat it 40 times in the round. In this row, crochet 3 double crochets in the space of previous round. Repeat it 40 times in the round. Pause the video and crochet round 6 till the end. Next, crochet rows of single crochets. I use here the waistcoat stitches, The waistcoat stitch is also known as center post stitch. It's as easy as a single crochet. The trick with this stitch is to insert your hook in the middle of the post, just under the inverted V. Then, complete the stitch just as you would a SC. Pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, left on the hook. Pause the video and crochet rounds from 7 to 10. Pause the video and crochet the sides of the bag till the end. You can adjust the height of the bag yourself by adding or removing rounds. Now, we're going to sew the handles on. To do this, fold the walls of the bag in half and mark the middle. Next, measure from the middle of the same distance to the sides and hang the markers. I measured about 12 centimeters to the right and left. Put the markers on the other side. Firmly sew the handles to the sides of the bag next to the markers. Our beach bag is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you liked it. Follow me on Instagram. Tag at Crochet Club Store to show off your new project. All links are in the description below the video.